if I got you. You stole my heart away with the things that you do. And lately, you drive me crazy, baby. Maybe that's why I escape in your love. There's no place.
What's going on, L&S gang, and welcome back. Okay, guys, what's going on right now is I woke up and Shyla was gone. So what that means is I gotta be productive by myself until Shyla gets back, okay? So the first things first is I gotta make breakfast. Let's go. Woo!
I feel good so far. I know today's gonna be a great day. I feel it in my spirit. Today is gonna be an amazing day. It feels good. It's nice weather outside. And today I'm just running around. I have to pick up merch. I have to go get some stuff ready for VidCon this weekend. I gotta go get a car wash. I gotta get things done right now.
Woo! Woo! All right, guys, so when it comes to myself making breakfast, okay, I do it a certain style, okay? I call it the Landon style. And today, L&S gang, on Cooking with Landon, I'm going to show you guys how to cook top ramen. But look, I know you guys are like, what? Top ramen? No. Shh. The way I do it, just gotta watch it. All right, first things first, you take the packet, you crack it up, all right? They're gonna, do one of these. You know, don't crack it too much. Crack, all right, good, okay. Take it to the bottom. You're gonna pop it. Let's you take this out, okay? Pour that in there like that. What you're gonna do is, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to this. So you don't wanna add too much. I'll show you about the right amount so you guys get the, you know what I'm saying, about there, just to let it float around a little bit, you know what I'm saying? All right, boom. You take your fork, you know, push the noodles down a little bit. Okay, now, as you guys probably know by now, I'm not using this, okay? I'm using this. This is grade A technology. Elon Musk put this in here for us. Here we go. You're gonna put it in here. The exact time is 1:18. Not less, not more, or else it just up, so. See you soon.
Hi, good afternoon. What can we get started for you?
Hi, can I have a grande green tea frap with coconut milk, please? First things first, gotta get my daily fix. This is delicious. I have no words. Whoever handcrafted this for me, thank you. This is delicious. You guys, this is usually what I get. Green tea frap with coconut milk, no whip. Try it. Now that I got my drink, I'm ready, I'm charged up. I'm literally about to go pick up merch. We got a box of samples waiting for us at the office, so I'm literally gonna swoop by really quick and pick them up right now, and I'm so excited. We showed you guys a little preview yesterday on Instagram and Snapchat and all that because we're just too damn excited. I already got the merch phone case. Like, this is my personal merch phone case. I just want to show you guys the inside. I don't know if you guys are ready for the outside. The inside is just, look how good this quality is. It's like the dual layer, so like if you drop your phone, it doesn't break. It's lit. All right, so I'm gonna go pick up merch really quick and then I'll be right back.
All right, guys, first things first, safety, of course. Take it out here. The towel. The towel was not strong enough. So we're good. Do a little, you know, a little mixing around. All right, let's get moving on. Now, we are on to the most crucial, important part, okay? If you do not follow these instructions to the T, it could be disastrous for the whole thing. So look, in this order is how your sauces will go. We got the regular chicken flavor, sugar thing, boom. You got the Himalayan pink salt, and it gotta be Himalayan, not regular. You gotta have black pepper, you gotta have the tahini, you gotta have the tapatio. Watch closely. And lastly, bah! 4 drops exactly. Now, do a little mixing. All right. This right here, boy. But, L&S gang, we are not done. Let me show you the finishing step. Bah! I don't know what this is called, but Shyla always gets it. I always add just a little bit to the top ramen to add a little. So you just take a couple like that. Rip them off. Couple more. Now look at that. Have you ever seen someone's top ramen look like that? I don't think so.
Guys, this is it. It's lit. It's lit. Look at that. I'm so excited. I literally just want to show you. This is all you guys can see right now. You see L and you see an S? All you need to see. I'm so excited. You guys are gonna lose your minds over this. Oh my gosh. Amazing, and it's such good quality, and I'm so happy that we waited and we were patient, because when you wait and you're patient and you work hard, things go your way. Remember that. The laws of attraction.
Want to give me a chair? All right, sit.
Good boy, Beach.
Beat. Right. All right, let's lay down. Sit down.
Good boy. Look at my boy. He's evolving. Beach. Isn't BG doing so well, you guys? He makes me so proud. I'm a proud mother. So I'm about to go get a car wash right now, and then I told Landon that I would pick up lunch, so that's what we're gonna do right now. I really don't know what to eat, and Landon's like a picky eater, so I mean, I might just go make lunch. It's a nice day. I got some extra time. Why not?
Oh, that was some gas. So usually first things first is I get straight to my workout, but I gotta let my food digest, so that means that I gotta play a couple of rounds of Fortnite, you know, just to get my morning started off, you know, correctly, so. What do they say? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Oh my God. Guys, remember all that shit I said about having a great day, and I feel it in my spirit, and it's not happening right now. I hit a pothole. This car is so low. I'm in the Mustang right now, and it's so low that like sometimes it's hard for you to see the ground, or me. And I hit a pothole. This was not any pothole. This was a pothole from the devil himself. And as I'm driving, I hear the car squeaking. It's making a squeaking noise, and I know nothing good. Like, I know something is wrong with the car. I don't even want to get out and look. I pulled over. I'm in like a shopping center parking lot right now, guys, and like I just have a feeling that I messed up. I'm freaking shook right now. You're good? Nothing wrong over here? Okay. People are looking at me right now because oh my. Are you serious? Oh my God. Guys, I thought, I'm from a pothole. Landon's literally gonna kill me. Is this side okay? This side's okay. This side's not okay. What do I do? Oh my God. I'm literally like shook right now. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? It's worse than I thought. From a pothole, like, what do I do? 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 Landon's literally gonna freak out. What do I do? How do I explain this? Okay, this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're just gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna take a picture, and I'm gonna say someone rammed their cart into the back of the car, and like, it wasn't my fault. I feel like low-key it's believable. We're gonna pick a cake. Are these all ice cream cakes?
No, they're
No, they're regular cakes. So I need one.
Cakes are an LLM.
Okay, I need one that can fit like "sorry I effed up" on it. Can you write that for me? I mean, I feel like this is a good size. Okay. What do you think? Do you think a cake's like a good apology? Like I crashed my boyfriend's car and like I haven't told him yet. So like I was gonna put like sorry I f***ed up on the cake and then like ta-da! But you know, at least you got cake, right? So like what do you think? You think chocolate works for that one, or you think like white cake is more dramatic effect?
What do you like? Do you like chocolate or do you like white cake? Or?
You know what, let's just do, it looks brighter. Let's just do the white cake. You know, once he reads it, he's not gonna care really. So guys, what I decided to do is I'm gonna get a cake made that says sorry I messed up, and just how I'm gonna tell him. Maybe he won't be like too mad because he gets a cake. I don't know, we'll see. Guys, so I just pulled up at home and like all my plans for the rest of the day are canceled. I'm not even in the mood. Like I pulled up and like I feel so bad about this. And like it just looks worse than it is, I think, is why I feel so bad. And like, baby, when you watch this, like I'm sorry. Like I'm sorry and I love you, and hopefully you can look back on this one day and laugh and we can tell our kids about this and it'll be funny. I do not want to go inside. You know when like you get a bad grade on like a test or a report card and you had to go home and like get your parents to sign it and like you knew you were gonna be in trouble and they were gonna be upset with you? That's exactly how I feel now. I feel like a little kid right now. Hi.
Watch out. Is it exploding cake?
No.
Sorry I f***ed up. What'd you What'd you
Nothing. Let's go inside. Let's talk about it. Let's talk.
Come on.
I didn't.
You f***ed up the car?
Look at your I look. Let me explain to you. Wait. Let me explain to you. So listen.
If it's a prank, I will know instantly.
No, listen. It's not a
you're not
prank.
gonna do
It's literally not a prank.
Dude.
Wait, listen. This is exactly what happened. I left from picking up the merch samples, right? And you know how like the car's so low and like I can already barely see over the steering wheel, and there was like a pothole like right at the exit of where I was like leaving the office to go pick it up, and I hit the pothole and I heard like this noise, like squeaking noise, and like listen. It's not that bad. Just remember that. Like I think it looks worse than it is. It's not a prank. I literally wish it was a prank. Like it looks worse than it is. It was just from a pothole.
How the f is that from a pothole, babe?
I swear to God, it's from a pothole. I'm sorry.
Are you just being serious right now?
Yes, it's literally from a pothole.
No, it's not from a pothole. Seriously though.
I swear to God.
How is this?
On our relationship, it's literally from a pothole, and I feel so bad about it, and I didn't know what to do, and I was just gonna say it was from something else, but I decided like honesty is the best policy, and I got you a cake.
God,
Are you mad? I'm sorry. I need a hug.
you need a hug. I need a hug.
I'm sorry. It literally wasn't my fault. Like it was like freak of nature.
I know. But after you did that, you went to get a cake made for me.
Yeah.
We're not gonna be able to. We're not gonna be able to take that car to VidCon. Now we gotta take the big ass G-Wagon to VidCon.
I don't want to take her.
You messed up.
I'm sorry. Obviously,
We're not
I'm
pulling up
sorry.
to VidCon in a freaking bumper dragon.
Do you forgive me? It literally was like not my fault.
I know. I'm not mad. That's fine. I'm just not mad. It's a good fit.
All my plans are ruined for the day. Cause like I feel so bad. I'm glad you're not mad. I love you. You gotta close out? You wanna close out with this vlog?
Guys, we gotta get ready to go to VidCon actually
We have
today.
to pack.
We gotta pack because we're leaving actually today to VidCon. And now I guess we're taking the G-Wagon because you... Anyways, guys, let's try to close out on a positive way, positive attitude. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the gang. My car is fucked. Peace.